Hi, my name is Charlotte Mloyi, and my presentation today is about social exchange theory. What is exchange theory? The result of an exchange process. Individuals will make decisions based on certain outcomes, maximize benefits and minimize costs, weighing potential benefits and risks of social relationships. And we're gonna watch a video that has an example of that. Looking at the video, so we get to see who gets affected most, and we see uneducated women, children, people with no family support, and unemployed individuals. It is hard for them to leave abusive relationships because they depend on the people who are providing for them. In exchange theory, we see that in this instance, when we weigh the differences, we see that the costs outweigh the rewards. So if the woman would leave the relationship, she probably would not have somebody to support her, and the child does not have the power to make the decision to leave, and the mother probably thinks she will destroy a family if she leaves the relationship. So that's my presentation today of the exchange theory. The cost minus the rewards equals the profit. So in this case, what is the profit? Thank you.